Having trouble with your Straight Talk service showing as activated but not working? This usually means your SIM card isn't fully provisioned on the network or your APN settings are incorrect. Provisioning is the process of registering your SIM card, and APN settings dictate how your device connects to the internet. Common symptoms include no service, inability to make calls, or data not working. The good news is most fixes are simple and can be done yourself. Start by restarting your device. Power it off completely, then remove and reinsert the SIM card to ensure it's properly seated. Restart the device after reinserting the SIM. Next, check your APN settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point names. For Verizon Network, set APN to VZ Winternet. For T-Mobile, use TF Data. Save the changes and restart your device. If problems continue, use the Straight Talk My Account app. Open it and access the Troubleshoot feature, which can automatically detect and resolve common connectivity issues. Make sure your device is compatible with Straight Talk networks. Also verify that activation is fully completed by checking the app or calling 288 from your device. For advanced troubleshooting, try toggling airplane mode on and off or reset your network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth.